Thinking of all of the things that we did in this year. Best believe me, my niggas, we gonna make it in this year. Yeah. I'm talking about cheddar, niggas, they're rolling with me, cause I got that cheddar, I'm flying with kites in the sky, young blood the squad, yeah we blow blagger, I'm out in the city in the morning, all niggas yawning, my mind is stuck in the ceiling, I know niggas hating alright, yeah they hating alright, cause I do it better, find out where we find the trophy pack. Cause it does that better. Flipping on top of money like it's nothing. Look at my shit. Hey, I'm smoking high and getting major. I've been high, I'm in Jamaica. We coming up anyway. It's just setting up, we out, you getting paid. Me and my squad. Getting water while I in the different bag. As you can see. They're like in the brown paper bags, you can see. Boy, the niggas in the body bag. We going down, we coming up anyway. They just second up, we out, you getting paid. Me and my squad. Really wanna find out in the